Absolutely, I think it has been a great event, and the kind of blockchain minds that I have seen here, the kind of innovation that people are bringing, it's been a mind-boggling experience. From the coin-based products to the medical domain products, to the education-based products, we have seen a variety of companies coming up here, showcasing their products. It's amazing experience and a great learning as well. Yeah, so I'm a technical advisor at MAH Healthcare. MAH Healthcare is trying to build a platform where it can bring all major players in the healthcare industry together on a common blockchain platform for a seamless interaction. Okay, so it will be beyond the boundaries of a countries or a city, and the patients can interact with doctors anywhere in the world. It will be connected through the digital economy, which is promoted by blockchain. So we have a STRX coin that will enable people to interact beyond boundaries, and we will have insurance companies, research companies, pharmaceutical companies, test labs, all of these partnering in this solution to create a big ecosystem. Yeah, so currently, we have the plans to launch it in June 2022 with 18 countries to begin with. And so we're looking to launch it in USA, Estonia, certain African countries. So these are our first customers, or the countries where we want to set up our base, and then subsequently we'll be moving to the other places as well based on the success. Building this platform on blockchain, we will also further integrate with AI and other technologies so that it can become more robust, more meaningful for the community. I think so. We had a tremendous success. So what we were expecting is that we'll be able to meet influencers, we'll be able to meet market makers, we'll be able to meet investors. So I think we have got a mix of everybody. Since morning, we have been keeping absolutely busy, and especially after the speech, people have been coming up in great numbers. So I think so this is a tremendously successful event for us.